Namaste and welcome to Sanket Creations. Today in this video we will be unboxing these JBL E25BT wireless earphones, and also we will be going through all the essential features of these earphones. I will also give my own reviews on these earphones. But before that, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon below the video. As you can see on the box with the variant of these earphones. This box comes in a typical JBL styling with some features highlighted over it. Now we will start with the unboxing of this product. After opening this box, we find a soft pouch. In this pouch we get a charging cable which is USB-A to micro USB. After the charging cable we get this small and large size extra ear tips. Lastly we get this attaching clip. Now we are keeping these things aside and we will look over the other products in this box. Here we find this quick start guide, and next this is the warranty card. Now we will quickly take out these earphones. This is the first look of these earphones. We have medium sized ear tips attached to it. This is the attaching clip. You need to attach the clip to your earphone in this way. Using this clip you can fix the earphone to your outfit. We will see the charging cable. As you can see, it is a small and handy tool to charge our earphones. As you can see, these earphones have 3 buttons. If we press and hold this middle button, the earphones will turn on. This light indicates that the earphones are turned on. Now we will pair these earphones with our phone. For pairing these earphones, we need to turn our phone's Bluetooth on. In the available devices section of your phone, you will find JBL E25BT, and in this way we will pair this device. You can see that it is connected and it shows us the battery and active status. Once you pair it with the device, the blue color light will be turned on. We can do many things using these 3 buttons. You can increase your volume using the plus button or decrease using minus button. You can play or pause your content using the middle button. If we press and hold the minus button for 3 seconds, you can easily play the next or previous track. Using the middle button, we can accept or deny a call. If we press the middle button once, then the call will be accepted. If we hold it for 3 seconds, the call will be denied. There are more features in the quick start guide. These earphones come with a cloth-like wire which is almost unbreakable. This ensures durability of these earphones. The sound quality of these earphones is very awesome as compared to other earphones in this price range. Using these earphones, you can enjoy each and every content at its best, whether it be movies, gaming, or any other entertainment. There was only one disadvantage which I found out after using these earphones, which was it lags somewhat in its bass. the maximum retail price of these earphones is rupees 3499. But if you will buy it from Amazon by clicking on the link given below in the description, you will get it around 1999 rupees. Thanks for watching. Do like and comment below the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.